Here is the quick and dirty way to save money and become more efficient with your money. About every 2 months, I'll pull my statements from my checking account and the credit cards that I use that I spend money on. And then I have 3 markers of different colors that I'll go through those statements, and I will mark the stuff that one color is for things that I need, and then the next one is going to be wants, things that I spent, like going out to dinner, going to movies, buying video games, buying board games. And then the third one is going to be things that I have to spend towards like various debts, paying on credit cards, paying on my mortgage. There's a rule that I use that's called the 50-30-20 rule. I want 50% of my money going towards my needs. I want 30% of my money going towards my wants, and then I want 20% of my money going towards my debts. And I'm trying to stay inside those ranges. If I could have like 30% of my money going towards my needs, that's great. But if I have like 70% of my money going towards my needs, that means that I'm living outside of my means, and I need to either do one of two things: limit my spending habits to underneath those needs, or seek higher employment to get paid more so I can live that lifestyle. I try to prioritize my needs over my wants every single time. Once I do that, then I start to go through and eliminate things out of the wants category. I try to eliminate my expenses, so my margin on how much money I don't spend per month it can go into the savings category. And another example is every morning I get up and I go get like a breakfast sandwich from a fast food place. It's not expensive, $4 or $5, but $4 or $5 over the course of weeks, $25 for 52 weeks, the money starts to add up. So I can eliminate that expense by going and buying a carton of eggs, hard boiling them so I have them in the morning, slapping them in between 2 pieces of toast, and I'm good to go. There's applications that are out there like Mint Money and Rocket Money and all kinds of stuff that have popped up in the fintech space, where you basically plug your accounts into it and then it will analyze how you're spending your money. It's mainly looking for duplicates of accounts. I found out that I had 3 Crunchyroll accounts that I was paying for, and when I eliminated 2, that's basically $20 that I'm saving per month. $240 a year. And then if I am carrying any debt, I would notate on the debt the interest rate for the debt. I prioritize paying off the highest interest rate debts first to save myself as much money as possible. Eliminate those extra expenses that you are making to keep more of your gunpowder dry, so to speak. I'm a big fan of automation. So the way that I have myself set up is I've got a checking account that I kind of operate out of, like a lot of people do, but I also have a high yield savings account. And instead of your money just sitting in a checking account not gaining any interest, you put it in a high yield savings account. I like automated accounts because what I've got set up is basically automatically a portion of my money from my checking account is going to go into a high yield savings account or some sort of investment vehicle. Small changes can lead to big rewards. So if you can figure out a way to set aside, let's say $500 per month. $500 per month is going to yield about $6,000 per year. Over 2 years, that's $12,000. If it's in an interest-bearing account, you're at $13,000 or $14,000. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Bye.